Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn the 2D shapes. Square, triangle, heart, star, circle and trapezium. First we are going to know the color's name. Green color, blue color, yellow color, red color, purple color and orange color, and this is black color. Now we are going to draw the shapes. Square, this is square. Next, triangle. This is triangle. Next, heart. This is heart. Next, star. This is star. Next, circle. Circle. Next, trapezium. Trapezium. Now we put the color. Blue color. Square. Next, green color, triangle. Next, red color, heart. Next, yellow color, star. Next, purple color, circle. Next, orange color, trapezium. What we learn? We learn square, blue color, triangle, green color, heart, red color, star, yellow color, circle, purple color and trapezium, orange color. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe.